Everyone, let's play with Python programming. Okay, and right now I'm working on the fourth exercise on loops. Okay, which is this one here. Okay, there's absolutely nothing hard if you ask me in regards to this exercise here. Okay, but again, I totally understand if you find that 180 degrees away from what I'm saying. Okay, so we gotta write a program that prints out a list of the integers from 1 to 20 and their squares. Okay, the output should look something like that. Okay, 1 is 1, 2. Okay, so 2 corresponds to 4, 3 corresponds to 9, and 20 corresponds to 100. Okay, let's see. This is gonna take at most 3 lines of code. Matter of fact, it will take only 2. It will take only 2 lines of code. So right here, I want to display I plus 1. And then immediately after that, I want to display I plus 1 times I plus 1. So it's going to be I plus 1 multiplied by I plus 1. Okay, for my separator, I'll use triple dashes. Okay, 3 dashes. It's gonna be 4a. Yeah, this should do it, you guys. Let's hit the run button and see what we get. Oops. Now I forgot putting I. Damn. Really? That is freaking stupid. As you can see, it was